Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain HackerRank SQL Solutions, problem names Ollivander's inventory. Let's see the problems first. First of all, we have to determine the minimum number of coins needed to buy each non-evil wins of high power and age. So we should select high power and age, but the minimum number of coins needed. So write a query to print the ID, ages, coins needed, and power of the ones. So that is the column we have to print. And there is also other condition of ordering. Sorted in descending power. And second one, if the same power, we have to order it in descending age. So that is the problem's explanation. So let's see the examples together. As you can see, there is one's table and one's property table. So I think we can join, because we have to know the age and is evil or not. So we're gonna join it, use this code and code. So we're gonna inner join it. And also there's a sample output of these examples. But the thing is, as you can see, this is the explanation of some examples. For example, there is age and power. As you can see, if the age and power are same, you don't have to print this one and this one. We only interested in the coins, the cheaper one. The coins needed is most cheaper one. So this one and this one and this one and this one, I think you can print in it. So as you can see in the examples, for example, there is only one, that is age and power 740. There is only one. So we have to exclude them if they have same power and age. That's the key point of this problem. So I'm gonna explain how to solve these problems. So let's see the solutions together. So the key point is, the first problem is how are we gonna select minimum coins needed if power age is same. It doesn't solve just order by syntax. You need to we need to use other function called window function. We're gonna do window function, and we're gonna use a row number so that we can find if power age is same. We're gonna find minimum coins needed. For example, if you use the row number and if we partition by, for example, if we partition by power and age, here's what's, so if you do it like this, you're gonna do it like here. I'm gonna a little bit in here more closer. So if there is a row number, for example, if there is a row number column in here, if you do it, the row number will be like this, like 1 1 1 and 1 2 3. And if you order by coins needed, Rn looks like this. And we're gonna filter it, this one and this one, by using plus where Rn, row number, is only 1. So what we print is this one. That's how we're gonna solve the problem. So let's write a query together on the screen. Let's move on. First of all, you need to do this, change the language, not MySQL. You have to select MySQL server, because we need to use a window function. So let's do it. First step we're gonna do is we're gonna do row number. And we're gonna do it first. So let's select from this table called ones table. So first step, we're gonna do row number and inner join. Ones table, I'm gonna alias call it this just W as simply, and I'm gonna do inner join, and I'm gonna call this table inner join one's property as WP, and I'm gonna do it on keyword. We're gonna use key as w.code and wp.code. First, so what we're gonna print in this here, we're gonna print ID and coins needed power of the ones. So what we want to do is we're gonna print ID. I'm gonna make it prettier, age, and coins needed, and power. I think age was in, the age was in one's table, so w.id, and age was on the one's property table. Coins needed was also in one's table, and power was also, I think, was in one's table. Let's see the results together. So as you can see, there is ID and also the age, and there is also coins needed and the power, and join is successfully did it. So we do it the inner join, and we do it one more time. I want to do row number. I want to do row number, and I'm gonna use over. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do partition by wp partition by w.power and wp.age. So we're gonna partition by, and we're gonna order by coins needed, and we're gonna call it row number rn. Do I can make more? Yep, that looks more better. So because sentence was so long, so what I did was I was partitioned by power and age. So if the power and age is the same, we're gonna order by coins needed. Let me explain more. ASC. So we're gonna print the coins needed that is cheaper, order by cheaper. So let's see what's the result. Yeah, so in here, for example, let's see together. For example, second column was age and fourth column was power. So what you see is if the power, age and power is same, we just row number it. But what we need, we don't need this one and we don't need this one. We just only need the cheaper one like this. So what we gonna do? First, there is other condition that there is a dark power. So in condition we have to select non-evil one. So what we gonna do? We're gonna do where condition where wp dot is evil is 0. So it's not evil. So we're gonna do it like this. Is evil. Did I spell right? Evil. Sorry, this is so evil. Yeah, so we excluded the dark power. That is, we excluded evil one. So we did the first step, and second step we have to do is we need to find only the row number that is only the one. That is what we want to find, the cheapest one. So I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. We can't use a row number in this query, so I'm gonna use subquery. Select from. I'm gonna call it as subquery. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it where rn is just 1. And I'm gonna order by, we have to order it by, so we have to select what I remember, ID, and we have to select AG, and we have to select coins needed, and we have to select the power, right? So what I'm gonna order by, the power DSC, and as its condition, we're gonna HDSC. That's the whole query, and let's run the code. Yeah, as you can see, sample test case is successful. Now I'm gonna submit the code. Yeah, we did it successfully. Congratulations, we did it. So I'm gonna just organize the key point and let's finish these videos. Let's move on to the key point. So I'm gonna organize the key points. The first key point was how gonna find same power, same age, but how we gonna find the minimum coins needed. So what we did, we use row number so that it can rank. Forcefully. We used row number, and we just found. Plus, we just found that is also we partition by. We use partition by power age, so that we can find the same power, same age, and we ordered by coins needed ASC, so that we can find like this, like we can find only the cheaper one. And second, how are we gonna select minimum coins needed also? So what we did, only the where. We did use where condition. I'm gonna turn it more uppercase. Where we did it like where RN row number was 1. That is what we selected. Yeah, I think this is the whole key point of this problem. Thank you for watching videos, guys.